Hey travelers, who's ready to conquer the world with just a backpack? Yep, that's right. I'm here to drop some backpacking wisdom that'll make your adventures smoother than your grandma's apple pie. All right, first up, weather check. Before you even think about packing, dive into those weather apps. Sunshine in Spain or monsoons in Mumbai. Knowing what you're walking into is the secret sauce to packing smart. No one wants to bring a bikini to a blizzard, right? Tip number 1, weather-wise packing, clothes. You think more is better? Nah, less is more, my friend. Grab that one magical jacket, the one that's tougher than a $2 steak, and leave those other 5 at home. Trust me, your back will thank you. And shoes, just one pair of sturdy kicks that fit the bill, whether you're scaling mountains or hitting city streets. Tip number 2, minimalist yet effective clothing choices. On to tech essentials, power banks. Ever had your phone die in the middle of navigating an unknown city? Not fun, right? A solid power bank is your lifeline. Keep it charged and you'll never have to panic about finding the closest outlet while you're out chasing adventures. And lastly, don't forget a universal power adapter. This little buddy is your golden ticket to staying connected no matter where in the world you find yourself. Imagine being able to charge your gadgets in any country without a hitch. Sweet, huh? Tip number 3, tech essentials, power banks and universal adapters. Weather-wise packing, minimalist yet effective clothing choices, a trusty power bank, and a universal adapter. Pack these and you're ready to hit the road or the skies or the seas. The world is your playground, so go play. Safe travels, nomads.